English for Libya, Primary 5 by Hannah Abdsalam. Okay, hello now, and we are going to start our lesson. Listen, today we are going to speak about plural. About what? About plural. Repeat after me, plural. Look at this one. What's this? Can you tell me? It is apple. It is an apple. How many apples here? One. So we said apple, apple, apple. Okay. What are these? These are apples. How many apples here? One, two. So we can write apple? No, we write apples. Why apples? Because we have here two apples. So one apple, but two apples. So what we add here? We add S. Why S? Because it is a plural. Because it is a plural. So in a plural, we add S. So one apple, two apples. One apple, two apples. Okay, look at this. What is it? Who can tell me? Pencil. Excellent, Ayanur. It's a pencil. Pencil. Okay, like this. A pencil. Pencil. One pencil. Okay, what about these? How many pencils here? One, two. So, do we write pencil? No. What are we going to write? Pencils. We add S. Why S? Because they are two and we call them plural. So with one, we write apple like this. But with two, we write apples. We add S. So apple, apples. Apple, apples. Look at these. This is a pencil. One pencil. Pencil. What about these? Pencils. We add S. Why S? Because they are plural. Okay, we still in Unit 1. And today, Unit 1, our school. Today, Lesson 7. What we have in Lesson 7? At the school shop. At the school shop. So, do you know what you can find at the school shop? Can you tell me? Sandwich? What else? Sweets? Good. So now let us start our lesson. Where's your book? Show me your book. Open it on page 20 and page 21. 20 and 21. Okay. These two pages, we are going to study them today. So, page 20 and page 21. At the school shop. At the school shop. Now, we are going to start with number 1. Okay, what we have in number 1? What we have in number 1 here? So, can you see? We have 8 pictures. We have 8 pictures. What's this? Can you tell me? Okay, so now number 1, write the words. Write the words. So we have here 8 pictures in front of you and we need to write words. Okay. First of all, I'm going to read the words. Sharpeners, 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 pencil sharpeners. Do you still remember Lena's? Okay, what is it in Lena's bag? There is a sharpener. So, sharpener, sharpeners, lemonade, 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 apples, 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 pencils, 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 sweets, 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 milk, 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 cookies, cookies, notebooks, notebooks. Now I want you to put these words, to write them under pictures, under picture. So can we start with number one? What is it? Who can tell me number one, what is it? Pencils. Excellent. Repeat after me. Pencils. Pencils. What are these? These are pencils. These are pencils. What about number two? What is it? What are they? Milk. 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 Okay. What about number three? Lemonade. Lemonade. What about number four? Apples. Apples. Good. What about number five? Cookies. Excellent. It is cookies. Number six. Okay, all of you. Sharpeners. Sharpeners. And number seven. Notebooks. And the last one is sweets. So we have here pencils, milk, lemonade, apples, cookies, sharpeners, notebooks, and sweets. Now, listen and say, pencils, 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 milk, 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 lemonade, 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 apples, 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 cookies, 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 sharpeners, 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 notebooks, 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 sweets, sweets, sweets. Again, pencils, 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 pencils. 3 times, okay, as usual. So, pencils. Milk, milk, milk. Lemonade, 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 lemonade. Apples, 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 apples. Cookies, 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 cookies. Sharpeners, 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 sharpeners. Notebooks, 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 notebooks. Sweets, 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 sweets. Okay, can you see here? How many pencils here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One pencil, but 2 pencils. 2 pencils and 3 pencils. Why we write S here? Because they are more than 1. If we have 1 pencil, so we said 1 pencil or a pencil, but 3 pencils, 3 pencils. Milk, 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 milk. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carton of milk. We don't say milks. Why? Because it's liquid. Lemonade, lemonade, lemonade. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't say lemonades because liquid. We can say 6 cans of lemonade. Apples, apples. If it's 1, we say apple, but they are 2. There are 2 apples, so we add S here. Now, cookies, cookies. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cookies. Sharpeners, 2 sharpeners. Notebooks, 2 notebooks. Sweets, 2 sweets. Again, pencils, pencils, pencils. Milk, milk, milk. Lemonade, lemonade, lemonade. Apples, apples, apples. Cookies, cookies, cookies. Sharpeners, sharpeners, sharpeners. Notebooks, notebooks, notebooks. Sweets, sweets, sweets. Who can read? Mohammed, what's this? Excellent, pencils. What about this? Milk. And this? Lemonade. What about this, Rujain? Apples. Good. Rahaf? Cookies. What about this one? Rahaf? Sharpeners. Good. What about this? Notebooks. And the last one, sweets. Now, listen and point. Point. Apples. Where's apple? Yes, this is apples. Pencils. Notebooks. Sharpeners. What about sweets? Can you point to cookies? Excellent. Okay, look what we have here. What's missing? What's missing? It's a game. Do you still remember the rule of the game? We are going to close our eyes and we are going to move one thing from here. After that, what we are going to do? Open eyes. Do you still remember? So the name of the game, what's missing? What is missing? What's missing? What's missing? Okay, so now close or open eyes. Excellent. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Now open your eyes. Open your eyes. What's missing? Milk? No, this is milk. Apples? Okay, we have apples here. What's missing? Excellent. Pencils. Pencils. Okay, now look again what we have. We had pencils, milk, lemonade, apples, cookies, sharpeners, notebooks, and sweets. So now close your eyes. Okay. What's missing? Open your eyes now. Open your eyes. Okay, what's missing? Can you tell me what's missing? Rujain, apples. Excellent, Rujain. Apples. Yes, it's apples. Okay. Now close your eyes another time. Close your eyes. Rahaf, close your eyes, please. Okay. Now, open your eyes. What is missing? What's missing? Yes, what is it? Sharpeners. Excellent. It is sharpeners. 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 So we have pencils, milk, lemonade, apples, cookies, sharpeners, notebook, and sweets. Okay, what's missing now? What's missing? Excellent, sweets. Do you like sweets? Okay, so we have again pencils, pencils, milk, milk, lemonade, lemonade, apples, apples, cookies, cookies, sharpeners, sharpeners, notebook, notebook, and sweets. Which is the correct picture? So we need to listen like this. Show me listen how. Excellent, like this. And okay, which is the correct picture? We need to write, tick in front the correct picture. Okay, let us check. Look at these two pictures. What we have? Which is the correct picture? This one or this one? Which one is correct? This one, because here we have apples, but here we have milk. So this picture is correct. Excellent. This picture is correct. Can we have another picture now? Okay. What's this? It is Apple logo. Which one? Is this correct or this one is correct? Which is the correct picture? Which is the correct picture? Who can tell me? Okay, your iPad is like this, yeah? Okay, which one is correct? Yes. Excellent. This one is correct. Okay, what's this? Nutella. Nutella. Which one is correct? Which one is correct? Do you like the chocolate? Do you like Nutella? Okay, which one is correct? This one or this one? Yes, excellent. So now we have listen and which is the correct picture? Which is the correct picture? Okay, now look carefully at these two pictures at the bottom of page 20. Now try to find what's the difference between these two pictures. What is the difference? Okay, between these two pictures. Okay, so what we can find here? Lemonade and apples. Where are they? They are at the top shelves. Okay, what else here? But here we have notebook and cookies. And we have here sharpeners. Okay, what else? Who can tell me? In the middle, this is middle. What you can see in the middle here? Sweets and sharpeners. What about this? Milk. Okay, so they are not the same, they are different. So at the bottom, can you see at the bottom here? We have pencils. Excellent. How many pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 pencils. Excellent. S, pencils. But what about here? How many pencils? 1, 2, 3. What we have else? Apple. So at the bottom, we have here apple and the 3 pencils. But here at the bottom, we have some pencils. So these two pictures are different. Which picture is correct? We don't know. We need now to listen and decide which picture is correct.
Listen. Which is the correct picture?
In my school shop, there are lots of pencils. These are on the bottom shelf. On the top shelf, there are cans of lemonade and some apples. On the middle shelf, there are sweets and sharpeners.
Okay, now, which picture is correct? Can you tell me? Yes? Excellent, it's A. So this picture is correct. So now, what we have here? We have cans of lemonade. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at the top, we have some apples. What we have at the middle or in the middle? We have sweets and sharpeners. Okay, at bottom what we have? Some pencils or a lot of pencils. Okay, now we are going to listen. Where are the things? Write the letters on the shelves. So we have here, what you can see here, we have Yusuf and Tariq. And what we call this? Top, 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 middle, 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 bottom, 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 top, 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 middle, 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 bottom, bottom. Okay, what we have in front? What's A? Who can tell me what's A? Milk. Excellent, milk. What about B? Cookies. C? Sharpeners. D? Apple. E? Pencil. And F? Notebooks. So now we need to listen to decide where are the things. Remember, top, middle, bottom, top, middle, bottom. So we need to listen to decide which shelf is.
Listen. Where are the things?
Let's put the apple on the middle shelf.
No, it's better on the bottom shelf.
And let's put the cookies on the bottom shelf.
Yes, that's good. And let's put the milk on the middle shelf.
OK.
Let's put the notebooks on the top shelf.
OK. And let's put the pencils and sharpener on the middle shelf.
No, they're better on the top shelf with the notebooks.
Yes, that's good.
Listen.
Okay, let's start. After we have listened to the conversation between Yusuf and Tara, we are going to help them to arrange the school shop. So now we are going to put the letters on shelves. So can we start with milk? Milk A. So where's the milk? Who can tell me? The milk on the middle shelf. Excellent. The milk is on the middle shelf. On the middle shelf. What about cookies? On the bottom shelf. On the bottom shelf. So repeat after me. Top, top, on the top, on the top, middle, middle, on the middle, on the middle, bottom, bottom, on the bottom, on the bottom, top, middle, bottom, top, middle, bottom. Okay, so now we have milk on the middle and we have cookies on the bottom. Now we are going to see what is it? Sharpener. So where's sharpener? Okay, on the top. Sharpeners or sharpener, because we have only one. Sharpener is on the top. Okay, the apple. Where's apple? On the bottom. Excellent. So what about pencils? On the top. And notebook? Also on the top. So again, milk on the middle. Cookies on the bottom. What we have else? Sharpeners on the top. Apple. Excellent. On the bottom. Pencil on the top. Pencils. Notebook on the top. Again, top, 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 middle, 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 bottom, bottom. Excellent. Now we are going to start our activity book. Okay, so we are going to discuss today and to explain today page 16 and 17 in our activity book. Okay, number 1 on page 16. So we have here 4 books. These 4 books contain all the different items that can have in our shop. So we need to choose items because here we have different items we need to choose items, and we choose which book or which box or items that we can find them in our shop. Then down here we need to write tick. That means we choose this box. So here they are different. Look at number 1, lemonade, notebooks, balls, and cards. So we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So take your time and choose your box. Which one do you choose? I gave you time to choose. Okay, according to me, I choose number 1. I choose number 1. What we can see in my shop, you can see lemonade, you can see cookies, you can see orange juice, you can see apples, you can see sweets, and you can see cakes. So you can find here different things on my shop. So we have lemonade, cookies, orange juice, apples, sweets, and cakes. So now we are going to do number 2. Okay, so as you know, I choose box 1. What we have in box 1? We have lemonade, we have cookies, we have cakes, sweets, apples. So now we are going to draw. So I draw some cookies, I draw apples, I draw sweets, and I draw cakes. Now I need to put them on the place. I need to arrange my things on the correct place. So I choose, what do you think? I will need to put my cookies where? On the top. Excellent. So my cookies are on the top. Okay. What else? My apples, I need it on the middle. So my apples are on the middle. What about sweets? Sweets on the bottom. My sweets are on the bottom, and my cakes on the bottom. My cakes are on the bottom. So I choose the first box. The first box. What we have in first box? Do you still remember? We have lemonade, we have orange juice, we have cookies, we have sweets, apples, and cakes. So draw your things. I draw my thing. I draw 4 things. I draw cookies, I draw apples, I draw cakes, and I draw sweets. Then I put them, I choose, we have here 1 shelf, 2 shelves, 3 shelves, 1 top, middle, bottom. So I put here my cookies where? On the top, and my apples on the middle, my sweets on the bottom, and my cakes on the bottom. So can I ask you a question now? Where are my cookies? On the top. Excellent. Where are the apples? On the middle. Where are the sweets? On the bottom. And where are the cakes? On the bottom. Excellent. So this is mine, and I draw things on the shelves. Now we have some question. My cookies on the top shelf, and my apples on the middle, my sweets on the bottom, and my cakes on the bottom. Okay, what about your picture? Can you show me your picture, Mohammed? Which box you choose? Number 2. Okay, so can you show me your picture? Excellent, good. It's nice drawing. What about you, Rujane? Okay, it's better than my drawing. What about you, Rahaf? Okay, excellent. Good girls and good boys. Okay, now look, say, cover, write and check. I need you to remember these 4 words. What are they? Here, there, than, and whose. I need you to try to remember how to write these letters and these words, and we need to check. So now close your eyes and close your book. Open your book. Sorry, not your book. Take your notebook and write the first word here. Here is my classroom. Here. Okay, Muhammad, can you show me your? Okay, it's good. What about Rujain? Okay, H-E-R-E. Okay, now can you close your eyes and give me the spelling? How do you spell there? There are or there is? There. T-H-E-R-E. Excellent. Do you still remember than, longer than, smaller than? How do you spell it? Who can tell me? T-H-A-N. Okay, show me the letters. Raise your notebook. Yes, it's Dan. So the last word, whose. Okay, we have a lot of mistakes with whose. So try to write it again. See whose now. See it. And try to write it again. Correct the one we have. Show me now. Okay, Rahav, still we have mistake. So see the correct one and close your eyes and try to correct the third time. Okay, show me your notebooks. Excellent. Good boys and girls. So it's time now. We finish our activity book and we finish the activity 4. Now it's time to say goodbye.
Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye.